I know many photographers are going to agree with me on this particular one. How do you feel when you send sharp images to your client and then they post on their WhatsApp status and now the pictures look very blurry, as though you didn't do a good job? You know how that sucks, right? You know, very annoying. The pictures become so blurry and you wonder who edited these pictures. If this ever happened to you, make sure you like this video, follow for more tips like this, and share it to your friends and family who needs to see this. Now, to our dear clients and photographers who didn't know, let me show you a quick way to post pictures and videos on your WhatsApp status without losing quality. Now, the first thing you want to do is to send a photo or a video to yourself on WhatsApp. Or you can create a WhatsApp group, remove everyone so it's only you inside. For those of you who don't know how to send a message to yourself on WhatsApp, you can drop in the comment section so I do a detailed tutorial on that. Or you can even use the message yourself chat if you have it. Open the picture file inside the WhatsApp chat with yourself. Edit it there and add your caption, text or stickers if you want. Don't open it from your gallery to edit, remember that. Now forward the file from the chat and select my status. Forward the picture file from the chat with yourself, right, on WhatsApp, and select my status. When you post it this way, WhatsApp compresses it much lesser and the results look much clearer and sharper. This works for videos too, whether it's 4K or 1080p, short or long. Posting from the WhatsApp chat helps keep it looking clean. It's small change, but it makes a big difference, especially for creators who care about quality. Try this on your next WhatsApp status post. You will see the difference right away. If you like simple tech tips that really work, subscribe now or follow me for more tips like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.